Good morning, everyone. This is Fran. This is a quick Saturday video. I normally don't do videos on Saturdays. My videos are Tuesday. My uploads are Tuesday, Thursday, and Sundays. But I thought I'd give you a little sneak peek of my grocery order for this month for March 1st. And I'm going to give it to you on a Saturday. So here we go. Okay, this is my grocery order. I've got some parsley, some tomatoes. Of course, I've got some white lily all-purpose flour, and then I've got some organic all-purpose flour. I got a chicken, pearl onions. I love these whole okra. They are so good. Oh my goodness, I love them. A big bag of broccoli. I love frozen broccoli. I love these Italian green beans. They are so good. I got some cucumbers. My husband grew up in England and he loves cucumbers. I've got some coconut milk. I bought some potato slayer. Bought a couple loaves of bread. I'm going to make bread, but don't have any right now, and I want to make some sandwiches for today. I got a bag of apples. I got my body wash. I buy enough for about a year. Once a year. I love the ivory. It smells so good, and I love the Mr. Teal's foaming bath. I love that. I got some little red potatoes, some cherry tomatoes, some Kerrygold. I'm going to show you in a couple of weeks what we're going to do with that. I got some cream cheese, some salted butter, and some unsalted butter. A big bag of russet potatoes. I bought a donut pan. I bought a little donut pan. I thought, awesome. Got some eggs, which they were out of everything but this. They were like a steak. I cannot believe how much eggs cost. I got some smoked sausage. I love these on my homemade biscuits. I got a pork roast, some sour cream, whipping cream. I just got some whole milk. I got some Skinny Cow ice creams. For my grandkids, I got some brown sugar, some rice. I'm gonna, the video that's coming out next, we'll be using that. And I got some doggy treats, some bakery, some canned dog food. They eat once a day. They eat dry food, but they like their treats. We've kind of spoiled them just a little bit. That's what happens when your kids grow up and move out of the house. You spoil your dogs. This is my small grocery haul, and it was not a small price. I think it was $303 for, I just can't believe it. $303 for that. And some of the items I had no choice but to get a little more expensive flour, because I wanted two all-purpose, but they only had one, so I got the other all-purpose flour. And so this is my grocery haul. I forgot to show you chocolate chips.